Well, cases in India still rising. Maharashtra still the epicenter of the country's corona epidemic. But right now the focus is politics, as there is speculation that the BJP has launched another Operation Kamal to topple the Uddhav Thackeray government. The BJP has stepped up political protests and speculation increased after Sharad Pawar of the NCP met the Maharashtra governor yesterday and met the Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. Sharad Pawar today said that the speculation is not based on any fact. He said that Devendra Fadnavis should actually wait. But complicating this was Rahul Gandhi's comment saying, well, we are not decision makers in the Maharashtra government.
It's these two meetings, Sharad Pawar calling on Maharashtra Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari on Monday, and then a late evening meeting with Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray at his residence Matoshri, which has sparked rumours of unrest in Maharashtra. Sources say that the government's inability to stop the spread of the coronavirus in Mumbai may be used by Uddhav Thackeray's rivals to stage a coup against him. But speaking to NDTV, Sharad Pawar said the meeting with the governor was a courtesy call. The governor had sought the meeting and the governor did not discuss COVID or politics. He also said this was a routine meeting with Uddhav Thackeray and that he and Uddhav Thackeray talk regularly. He had not gone to Matoshri since Balasaheb deaths, and Fadnavis, the leader of the opposition, is getting impatient. But he also added there's no threat to the Maharashtra government. In a press conference, Fadnavis reacted to that allegation.
जहां तक पवार साहब का सवाल है, मैंने बार-बार ये इंगित किया है और आज भी स्पष्ट बताता हूं, भारतीय जनता पार्टी को कोई जल्दी नहीं है. हम सरकार स्थापन करने का कोई प्रयास नहीं करने वाले. तो I am quite disappointed about it.
But former Congress President Rahul Gandhi added fuel to the fire with this statement.
We are supporting the government in Maharashtra, but we are not the key decision maker in Maharashtra.
It fell upon the NCP MP Supriya Sule to do the damage control.
मैंने खुद राहुल जी का स्टेटमेंट देखा, उन्होंने कुछ नहीं गलत कहा, वो एब्सोल्युटली सही कहा कि महाराष्ट्र एक कोलिशन गवर्नमेंट है. जैसे बाकी के जैसे उदाहरण दिए उन्होंने, वहाँ ड्राइवर सीट पे कांग्रेस है.
The BJP says it's in no hurry to form government in Maharashtra, but says the government will fall because of its own contradictions. Meanwhile, has yet another Operation Lotus been set in motion? In Maharashtra, is Amit Shah and the BJP looking to avenge the fact that they were left out of power when the three parties, the Congress and NCP and Shiv Sena, came together to form government? In Mumbai, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.